What are you doing, Beaners? What are you doing? Tell me.
I'm cleaning.
You're cleaning? You're doing such a good job. Thank you. Thank you, Sienna. It looks so clean now. Are you still cleaning? Sienna, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning the milk.
You're cleaning up milk?
I'm cleaning broccoli.
And broccoli? What else?
Cleaning.
And grapies? What else?
Into the noodles.
And tuna noodles? You're doing such a good job.
I see milk over here. I see milk over here.
Oh, get it.
I see broccoli over here. This broccoli.
Really?
This broccoli. I'm cleaning the floor. This is milk. This is milk.
Thank you so much. Whoopsie! Good job.